This is a vintage keyboard from 1984, and it has to be one of the most satisfying keyboards I own. I'd freaking love to play Minecraft with this thing, but unfortunately, the only way to use it is with my 40-year-old Macintosh. That is, until now. See, according to this random forum post I found, this little board should be all I need to connect this thing to a modern PC, theoretically. I could have bought the wrong one, so let's find out. Open this up, plug this thing in. Oh, okay, cool. I was putting it in the wrong way, far out. And I need a micro USB, mini USB cable. Do I even have one of those? Ah, I do. Oh, get my dongle out, don't. Plug my dongle in, don't. Oh, yeah, I bought the wrong one.